Tell me how you use a stove.
The way to use a stove is to turn on the burner. It depends on what kind of stove you have. If you have a stove that uses gas, you want to make sure that the gas is on. If you don't have a stove that uses gas and you have an electric stove, you can just turn the burner on by using the button, I guess.
Yes, I think it has button.
The dial, using the dial. And you would put it to the temperature that you need. So you would turn it to the right if you want to go high, low, or to the left, depending on your stove.
Mm-hmm. So I can put it to the low, to medium, and to high, right?
To low, to medium, to high.
Okay.
Correct. Or
Yeah.
some stoves also have simmer, which is
Oh
even
yes.
lower than low.
Yes. I know what simmer is. I mean, my students do too. But I mean, just I've never seen a stove that says that. Okay, but they do. Thank you.
You're welcome.